What's that say?
Welcome to guitar.
Welcome to guitar, everybody. This is Malia, my student / assistant
/
daughter, whatever. So today we're going to have a little bit video about the guitar. It's just kind of an intro video. The next video, we're going to start talking about how to actually play guitar. But I wanted to show you a few things, listen to some music, and show you what the guitar can do. So this is our little intro to guitar. So if we were in person, I would ask, what kind of music do you think we can play on a guitar? And we would discuss, what do you think? What kind of music do you play on a guitar? No comment? She doesn't know yet. She hasn't taken the class. So we're going to tell you about different kinds of guitars. There are acoustic guitars and there are classical guitars, which are like this. This is a nylon string guitar. This is used for classical music. And we're going to play a couple examples real quick. This one is called, group is Rodrigo and Gabriela. We're going to play just about 30 seconds. And you can look these up later on your own if you want to listen to more. Let's turn it up a little bit. So that's a nylon string guitar. Gotta fade it out here. All right, that's one way to play. You will be that good after you take my lessons. This is another one. This is Lauryn Hill. She's playing the same kind of guitar, but in kind of a different style. She's using it to sing songs that she sings along with.
Turn stone into grave, masquerading like he's got it figured out. Cut off from the sunshine, only smart in his own head, leaving his descendants to hope and doubt. Left to his devices, those worthless sacrifices, praying to the altar of himself.
So both those examples are nylon string guitars. And now we're going to look at a steel string guitar, which is also acoustic. So it's not plugged in necessarily, but its strings are made out of steel. So they're metal strings. They sound different, as you'll see. Leah's taking notes, so you can take notes too. Alright, so that's a steel string guitar. It's kind of what we're most familiar with when we talk about like singers using guitars for singer-songwriting. Electric guitar.
We have one.
There's some electric guitars around. These are plugged in and they're amplified. Oops. This is Jimi Hendrix, who's famous. I will not teach you to play with your teeth. It's not good for your teeth. I'll skip ahead here to...
Hey Joe, where you going with that gun of yours? Hey Joe, I said where you going with that gun of your hand?
All right, so that's the electric guitar. Question?
Oh.
Bass guitars, we're not going to learn bass guitar, but there's 4 strings and they sound lower. So they're not the same instrument, but they're very similar. They're related. They're like cousins. Do you have any cousins?
Yeah, many.
is what a bass guitar sounds like. After you learn guitar, learning bass guitar is easy, relatively so. But we're not going to learn that in this class. You're going to learn mostly on a acoustic guitar or nylon string guitar is what I recommend. Malia's going to get out a nylon string guitar. The next lesson, we're just going to go over basics. So I'm going to jump ahead here. This is a chord chart that shows you a guitar, shows you your fingers, it shows you where you're going to put your fingers. Our little video is covering it right now. Get out your guitar. And we're going to learn a chord called E minor. We're not going to learn it today, but Malia's going to demonstrate it for you because that's the only chord she knows.
I don't. There's not many.
She's got to get her guitar out of her case. So make sure you come back for the next video. We'll get into the basics about the guitar, the neck. There's 6 strings. These things right here are called frets. The metal bars right there. But you put your fingers on the wood part between. Your fingers are on your left hand, thumb, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you'll learn E minor in our first lesson. Huh? She knows what. Get over here. All right. So you can't see it in the diagram, but E minor is our first chord because it's pretty easy. You put down 2 fingers. Go ahead. All right. Check out the next video and learn guitar.
See you soon.
See you soon.